yatandika kusoma naffe era yakiriza buli all rules and regulations twamuwa yakiriza kugula uniform era oli kumubona mu uniform abaira ta mu kibiina n'abaana bale era mu parade naye ali mu parade oba mukobe ndi gemeche ekyo yere compound naye yera compound so buli kintu abaira akola ng'omwana musomi
nga timumulinga muntu musada mukulu nti ebyokweyabireke nga yena akolanga abaana baine
no abaye kusomero buli muntu ali abafanagana so yabaira ali pupil regardless of the 55 years tubaire tumutwala nga pupil so buli work people akola yateka kukola
okay.
Why media? Why media? Your best YouTube channel. Why media?
Chabe chokolo kuba ngo tugobera kiza mu amani. Yasaba yakabakali ku subscribing to go ahead and subscribe, like and share our videos. Ninzi Yazid Yolisigira. Owefe msilo mbikado nga nabaletera emboozi ya mwami Byansi w'emyaka 5 eyatyamira ebigezo by'ekyomusanvu n'abaana be babiri. Oh my god, mu buzeeyi bwe yera yasalawo okwirayo ku isomero yatyama ebigezo ng'akuba ati alina ebirooto bye byali kwenda okutuukiriza era nga we muwulire nga muzeeyi Byansi yatukobeire ati yali akomye mu P.L.E olwokuba nti omuzeeyi yali nga tiyamuwa mukisa olw'akasente kaali katono. So nga waiwai media bambi tutuuseko ku isomero erya Bubenge Primary School eri abasomesa ba muzeeyi Byansi batukobere kuku engeri y'okusomako kwali nga kujja kutya okutosoona ku lyatyamira ebigezo empisa ku isomero yali etya engeri yaluletinga mu nibaana baine of course okwira mu bibuuzo ng'omuntu omukulu tutidde abazeere babaamu ti babbe ono ye muli kumbona gano ni muzeeyi Ogoni Godfrey editiche w'isomero erya Bubenge Primary School era bambi tukwenda twogere kuko naye ku mboozi ya Byansi atukobere kuko. I'm happy to be welcomed here.
Thank you.
Muzeeyi ontayogera bulungi lusoga nga nze ayida kwogeranga mu mpolampola lwebire myayogera oluzungu kuba luyasoma era n'olumusasoza kale twidye tukobere kuku briefly how you received Byansi as a people here.
Okay, Byansi.
Let me hold the microphone for you.
Byansi yaidha wanu mwezi gwokubiri 2023 ngali kunoonya ekifo yakusoma ng'omwana mu kyomusanvu ayo okusooka twamudemera kubanga age ye abaira ali kutiisa abaana bandi ye yakakasa nti azira bizibu ye ayenda kusoma. Twamubuuza lwaki oyenda kusoma yatukobora aim ye ng'ayenda kusoma kimale P7 aje mu senior 1 amaleyo senior 4 eri ekintu kyali kugoba.
Okay, tujja kujja mpolampola mukwedi teacher okusooka nga isomero mwali mulobye at first he had declined to register him. Why? Lwaki mwali mulobye bwe mwamulingako at first sight you rejected? Why?
Okusooka nabaira rejectinga kumuregistaringa okusinzira ku myaka ye ali myaka 5 aye all along myaka 5 olinga memalo olowooza saawene okuyida kutandika kusoma mu P7 aye Byansi ya insistinga era yampa assurance nti ye ayenda kusoma ayazira bizibu byonna so twamuwandika. Yes.
Mwe mwambona mwali mulowooza muti ki nga iwe ng'omukulu w'isomero wabona Byansi ati ku myaka 5 edyo baana bato ati muna ndidiye ndikwenda kusoma iwe kiki kyakulira mu bwongo ng'omukulu w'isomero?
Mbaire manyi nti ali mu yekera bozi eriyo kyali kuyekera ku somero aye oluvannyuma twamuwandika yatandika kusoma naffe era yakiriza buli all rules and regulations twamuwa yakiriza kugula uniform era oli kumubona mu uniform abaira ta mu kibiina n'abaana bale era mu parade naye ali mu parade oba mukobe ndi gemeche ekyo yere compound naye yera compound so buli kintu abaira akola ng'omwana musomi
nga timumulinga muntu musada mukulu nti ebyokweyabireke nga yena akolanga abaana baine.
No, abaire ku ssomero buli muntu ali abafanagana. So ye abaire ali pupil regardless of the 55 years tubaire tumutwala nga pupil. So buli work people akola ye ateka kukola. Era barakola bulungi.
Buti abasomesa wobakobera nga mwikiriza okumwingiza mu isomero abasomesa bakobaki? What was the reaction or response of the teachers?
No, abasomesa babaire happy. Babaire happy kubanga bayidhi nti bajja kusomesa omuntu ayidhi kyakukola. Secondly, bali happy nti bajja kutunda esomero yaibwe munsi okubona omuntu mukulu asoma mu P7. So teachers were very happy with him and they really taught him very well and he left this place without any problem with any teacher. The only thing which was not done to him was caning him. So if he reaches late, we only tell him, tomorrow you come early. Then he comes. If he's not going to come, he tells you, tomorrow I will not come because I have ABCD. So we taught him.
Okay. So you take us through like what was his first day like at school when he came here, when he turned up officially to go to class. How was he dressed? What was the reaction from the fellow pupils?
Of course, after admitting him, I told him he should not. He came on coming to register. He came on the trousers and whatever. So after registering him, I said, no, your trousers back at home. So look for shorts and then our uniform. So for some few weeks, we allowed him to study in a short-sleeved shirt, which was not a uniform. Then later on, he got his uniform and his shorts. Actually, that was his shirt. We allowed him. Said, you put on that one. Hey. Yes. Oh. So as you look at him, that's how he was here in the school.
Okay.
Yes,
so,
please.
Nkobera kuko like ngavuire mu kibiina nga tukayikujawo okumutyamisa mu kibiina. He has a longer sight. He sees well when he's a bit far from the chalkboard or blackboard. How did you assist him?
No, for him he was sitting behind. Abaye ali kutya mabega, abaye ne glasses de. Ali abaye ne ndabramu ngali ko ali kumona bulungi. Ate ne kusinzira ku height ye tosobola kumutyamuza mberi kubanga omwana muto tajja kolinga mberi ngali mberi. So he was sitting behind the classroom.
Was he answering the questions well?
Very well. Very well. He was answering the questions very well. He even helped us. Yatuyambyeko n'abaana bato bano okubona mukulu ngali kukola ki okudaba ebibuuzo very confidently. So n'abaana bano ba picking.
Okay.
Era we are now using him as a role model. Kobana bana timuna. So if that man can come back to school, then you also study. He actually played a very good role for us here.
Okay. Kalibambi lukwa wa media ndi ninze Yazid Yolisigira ndi kuno mukulu wa isomero lyabo benge omwami Byansi yatyamire ebigezo bye bya P7 n'abaana be babiri ku myaka 5 bambi ngakata ne byali kwendo okutuukiriza ebyamulema ngaka ali muto olwokuba nti abazerebe tebasobola kumuga mu kisaguno bambi. Mukweli teacher twendo tukobere kuku Byansi's best subjects.
Yes, his best subject was SST and mathematics.
SST no muri ebya weather.
Ebya weather. Yes, and more so he was so much fluent in dini as Islamic religion. You could not deceive him. You couldn't deceive him in Islamic religion. He's the one who teaches you even.
So tukobere ko wano okuratinga ni bana baine ku isomero.
He was very okay. Abaire mulungi ino. Era waliwo abaana bajanga batyama nga abeko nga chairperson. So nga awaya n'abaana bulungi. Abaire zira bizibu.
I'm told when he came here, he participated in the elections for is it a class monitor, primary 7,
yes.
And won. If he didn't lie to me, how did he manage? how did he convince fellow pupils to vote for him? Did he buy for them sweets, or it was on merit?
No, he did not buy sweets, but he just talked to them, and of course now children were saying, no, dada, so our dada should be the one to do what? To be the class monitor. He didn't buy sweets, he only used his language, but the children were saying, oh, our dada.
So initially when he told me that he competed for the position of class monitor and he won, I thought that he had bribed them with the sweets since he had some money.
No, he did not buy. He just used the language.
So all in all, how did he relate with the fellow pupils at school?
His relationship was very good, and even the children. You even saw when he came. These ones were very happy to see him. He was very good with the children, both the big and the young. All of them was taking them as his children. But all in all, he was there as a pupil. So you could not differentiate him. Even if you tell him, no, you come out and say, no, for me, I'm also a pupil. I am this way. He sits also on the floor, on the ground there with them.
Okay. Lunch. I understand here, pupils line up, especially when it's time for porridge and is it posho? Was he also lining up, or you were favoring him? No. He was just remaining seated in class, and people goes to pick food for him.
No, he was lining up also with the food. Even on the day of P.L.E, he was also there with them. But now we're just making them to put down their plates. They served. Then he also went and picked.
Okay.
And then they went and sat where they were sitting and ate.
Okay. Amazi had taken some time without studying, going to school. Mwalwana mutia okubonanga mumusomesa to cope up with the rest of the pupils.
One thing, for him, he was able to read. Reading, he was able to read. What was disturbing him was he was able to read and he was able to write. But now, the answering techniques was what was his problem. How to put the reading and the writing in the normal position was not the problem. But after first term, he picked up.
He could even make some drawings. For example, he can draw a map of Uganda, escape map of Uganda.
Yes, of course. He was.
At his age?
His age, he was also drawing like other people were drawing. Everything we're doing at school here. Even community work like the one you phoned me there. We could go with him, but sometimes he said, no, you don't do it. But he was very loyal. Whatever thing you want to tell him, do this, he's going to do it. We had no problem with him.
Okay. So, tusubire ki?
Okubita. Ndikusubira ndaja kukola bulungi mu P.L.E. Era listed nsubira ndaja kukola bulungi. Nsubira first grade ku musaza oyo gole kubona. Yes.
First grade edebo gweri nga mubamu kuneya mwami Byansi.
Yes sebo.
Ndide namukola kwa mawire gabwerere. Ndide namukola kwa mawire ku TV gabwerere.
Gabwerere gafuye first grade. Fine.
Documentary bulungi. Namukola kwa mawire agobwerere. Kale nga tumaliriza nga isomero kusomozebwa ki kamwalina ku kusomesa omuntu omukulu, an adult pupil, adult student. It's rare, it's not common.
Yes.
Once in a while. And asobola okuba nga mu myaka nga etaano, in a period of 5 or to 10 years, nga this is the first student of his caliber to be registered here to sit for the exams. So you share with us some of the challenges you faced in handling this man.
I think I've told you that I didn't find any challenges with him. My only challenge was, at first I knew that maybe your neighbor would not allow him to sit. But when I went and forwarded his problem to the district inspector of schools, she told me, your neighbor allows anybody to sit. So I came back and I gestured him, and there he is.
Okay. Kale tumwendeza birungi. What's your message eri abo abantu abandi naddala abalinga mu myaka gye abayenda okusoma aye nga batya okwidda?
Message yange nti ndi ku encouraginga abantu ngabo abalemera kugundi complete education. There is still free time for them to come and study. Looking at what Gundi did on Sebuliba. Sebuliba was here in school, he did not have any problem, he studied very well and has now finished. So such people could also come. We are ready to register them and they come and do the exams.
Okay. So nga tumalikiza Mamedi teacher ambaye nabira okubuuza esomero lya lyona libani co-curricular activities.
Yes.
And students, all the pupils participate. Ono yenigiranga mu co-curricular activities ki?
He didn't.
What about sports?
No.
No.
With the sports,
running.
No, with the sports we take units. With the games we take units. So his units was beyond, so we could not present him there.
Okay.
Because we now take just 200 and we carry out kids athletics and kids sports. So the sports is for younger children, not for big man like that one.
Okay. So masomero eva yo competition is Ngabugweri district eva yo competition is edo kwemba edo kulumuka. For example, ngoyi byali byagaine byansi kisere kyo kulumuka aikirizibwa yeno okuja okukompetinga musobola okumutwalayo nga yo people who can run.
No, with the running, we said it is kids. We now don't take big ones. But if it is music, our music is allowed because you can even play the mbaire, can play the ngoma.
Wabayida nga ine kitone kyekyo kulumukanga ali kwenda kulumuko bakujja paka ku national. So gano mukisa batagufuna.
Atakufuna kubanga tuli ku gundi kids athletics. Awutafuna kodi anafuna mu secondary schools. Ngoyaje onaja.
Okay. So mu UNEB nga muri registering abantu bano. Ere yona mulaganga ono mukulu.
Yes.
Oba bategeera ku myaka.
No. I have the photo album. Can even show you.
Is there anywhere where you indicate it that this one is an adult?
The years are there. Because even the easy years we put it in the photo album. The easy photograph is also there to show exactly that is aged.
With a bald head?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Anyway, so olikuwa wa media ndi Yazid Yolisigira kwogera ku mukulu w'isomero bambi nebe bya byansi tijja kuswika wano leka ngolo bwire bugemye ndi waleno bugweri mu bitundu bya Bubenge Igombe sub county. So ndino okwira yo waife aine ebyo abandi bali basubire nti byansi we yajja mu P7 okwira ku primary nti we naba competition edo kulumuka mu masomero edibe busesa kukitebe nti byansi basobola okumutwala nga alumuka ekikumi okuva ku fulo Mubenge primary school yaje yasinga obwana ali mukulu nditi kyakubya ati emyaka gye tayikirizibwa
kodi kabaire ku music. Music in age is allowed.
Okay.
But with the sports, that is kids athletics. With the games, kids athletics. So he does not participate there.
Thank you for the time.
You're welcome.
I just bumped on you on a short note.
No problem. For us, we are ready. We are ready for anybody who comes.
Okay.
Because I know he has now made a story for our school.
Kali, bambi ndi Yazid Yolisigira bakali subscribing, please go ahead and subscribe, like and share our videos. The second stanza.
Oh Uganda awalandi eyo njakala mukobuzibu mukomanga
etandika Oh Uganda, the land of freedom, our love and labor we give. Hey, you don't know that one. What about the last stanza? O Uganda, the land that feeds us by sun and fertile soil's grown. For our own dear land, we shall always stand up. Hello.
Africa's grown. Yes,
Kaize.